we go guys, my Veal Adobo ready to enjoy. Hi everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, where all my Filipino recipes are all presented in English. Today, I'm going to show you how to cook Veal Adobo. Here are the ingredients for my Veal Adobo. Veal, garlic, chili pepper, ginger, onion, tomato, soy sauce, cooking oil, vinegar, and water. Now, let's start cooking. Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes. Now, let's start cooking our Veal Adobo. In a preheated pan, pour the cooking oil. And once the oil is hot, add the garlic and saute. Once the garlic turns golden brown, add the ginger. Give it a stir. Now we can add the onion. Give it a stir. Mix it up. This is going to be a very delicious Veal Adobo. Guys, for those who don't know, veal is a baby cow. Once the onion is soft, add the tomato. Mix it up. Add the chili pepper. Smells absolutely gorgeous. Once the tomato are soft, just add our veal. We have to brown off our veal, guys, for 2 minutes. After 1 minute, let's turn the veal over to brown off the other side. Now, time to add our vinegar. Soy sauce. And water. Mix it up. Smells absolutely delicious. Cover and simmer on a low heat. After 30 minutes, let's give our Veal Adobo a stir. Amazing Veal Adobo. Cover and simmer on a low heat. After an hour of total cooking time, my Veal Adobo is now ready to serve. Here we go guys, my Veal Adobo ready to enjoy. Now let's taste my Veal Adobo. succulent, tender, and juicy. I hope you enjoy my Veal Adobo today, and if you like it, then like it, and if you love it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon.